Kindergarten Certificate and Most Improved Certificate. Emily Segovia. Emily will be receiving the Pre-Kindergarten Certificate, Caption Kids Arts Champion Certificate, and Ignite Certificate. Mariana Treviño. Mariana will be receiving the Pre-Kindergarten Certificate, Caption Kids Arts Champion Certificate, and Ignite Certificate. Danielle Samaripa. Danielle will be receiving the Pre-Kindergarten Certificate, Caption Kids Arts Champion Certificate, Ignite Certificate, Project Respect for Properly Following Instructions Certificate. Bryson Duncan. Bryson will be receiving the Pre-Kindergarten Certificate, Caption Kids Arts Champion Certificate, and Ignite Certificates. At this time, we will have Mr. Ortiz announcing the Assistant Principal Award and Principal Award.
Our first Assistant Principal Award in Ms. Solis Robles' class goes to Junior Bustamante. Our second Assistant Principal Award in Ms. Solis Robles' class goes to Ismael Guajardo. And our Principal's Award in Ms. Solis Robles' class goes to Sofia Robles.
At this time, if we can have Mrs. Solis Robles' students, please make your way to the steps so that way we can take a group picture of y'all. Parents, y'all are more than welcome to come to the front so that way you all can take a picture of your wonderful children. Let's give Mrs. Solis Robles and Ms. Gonzalez's class a round of applause. Okay, parents, we are going to be starting briefly with the student performances, but we are asking you, parents, please do not come to the front for safety purposes, and please don't sit in the student seats. Padres, por favor, por su seguridad, por favor, no vayan a sentar en los asientos de los niños, por favor. Gracias. We are going to be closing the curtain right now.